Nothing wrong with
Hey
it.
man, we might not have no fucking fireworks, but we got one of these. We'll make some noise with this.
Hell yeah.
Close that door so we don't kill them.
Those are guns. That's fucking. It gets a tone every once in a while. Make my eardrums break. That's fucking.